Homes Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Today, we're diving into the joy of homegrown produce with our comprehensive guide to backyard vegetable gardens. Learn how to design, plant, and care for a beautiful garden. But, before that, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow. Subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. A backyard vegetable garden is more than just a place to grow food, it's a sanctuary for relaxation, creativity, and self-sufficiency. By cultivating your own produce, you can enjoy the freshest, most flavorful vegetables straight from your doorstep. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this guide will provide you with valuable insights and inspiration to create a thriving backyard vegetable garden. A backyard vegetable garden is a cultivated area in your backyard where you can grow various edible plants, including vegetables, herbs, and fruits. It's a wonderful way to connect with nature, reduce your carbon footprint, and enjoy the satisfaction of harvesting your own food. Here are some of the benefits of a backyard vegetable garden. First, fresh, nutritious produce. Enjoy the taste of homegrown vegetables, free from harmful pesticides and preservatives. Second, cost savings. Reduce your grocery bills by growing your own food. Third, environmental benefits. Help support pollinators, reduce food miles, and conserve water. Fourth, stress relief. Gardening is a therapeutic activity that can improve your mental and emotional well-being. Fifth, educational opportunities. Teach children about where food comes from and the importance of sustainable living. And to make it beautiful, here are some steps you should do to decorate your backyard vegetable garden. First, create a focal point. A water feature, sculpture, or unique garden ornament can add visual interest and draw attention to your garden. Second, incorporate color. Use a variety of plants with different colors and textures to create a vibrant and inviting space. Third, add pathways. Winding pathways can guide visitors through your garden and highlight key features. Fourth, use containers. Plant vegetables in decorative containers to add a touch of style and versatility. Fifth, consider vertical gardening. Utilize vertical space with trellises, arbors, or hanging planters to maximize your growing area. Perhaps you are wondering, what are the best plants for a backyard vegetable garden? Here are some of the examples. 1. Easy-to-grow vegetables. Tomatoes, peppers, cucumbers, lettuce, and carrots are excellent choices for beginners. 2. Herbs. Basil, parsley, oregano, and thyme are versatile and can be used in various dishes. 3. Leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and arugula are nutritious and can be harvested multiple times. 4. Root vegetables. Potatoes, beets, and radishes are easy to grow and can be stored for long periods. 5. Vine crops. Beans and peas can climb trellises or grow along the ground. And to complete your inspiration, here are the compilation of the top 10 best backyard vegetable garden ideas. 1. Create a raised bed garden. Raised beds offer several advantages, including improved drainage, reduced soil compaction, and easier access for planting and weeding. They're ideal for those with limited mobility or back issues. Raised beds can be made from wood, bricks, or stone, and can be filled with a rich, nutrient-dense soil mix. 2. Build a vertical garden. Maximize your growing space by incorporating vertical gardening techniques. Utilize trellises, arbors, or wall-mounted planters to grow vine crops, tomatoes, or herbs. Vertical gardens are especially beneficial for small yards or balconies. 3. Design a herb garden. A dedicated herb garden is a convenient way to have fresh herbs on hand for cooking. Herbs are relatively low maintenance and can be grown in containers or directly in the ground. Consider planting a variety of herbs, such as basil, parsley, oregano, thyme, rosemary, and mint. 4. Plant a container garden. Container gardening offers flexibility and portability. You can grow vegetables and herbs in pots, planters, or even repurposed containers like buckets or wine barrels. Containers can be placed on patios, balconies, or even indoors during colder months. 5. Create a butterfly garden. Attract butterflies to your garden by planting nectar-rich flowers and providing suitable habitats. Butterflies are beneficial pollinators and can add beauty and diversity to your garden. Consider planting flowers such as milkweed, butterfly bush, and zinnias. 6. Build a greenhouse. A greenhouse allows you to extend your growing season and protect plants from harsh weather conditions. You can grow a wider variety of plants, including heat-loving crops like tomatoes, peppers, and cucumbers. Greenhouses can be purchased pre-built or constructed using materials like PVC pipe and plastic sheeting. 7. Design a vegetable garden with a pond. A pond can add a touch of tranquility and provide a habitat for aquatic plants and wildlife. Incorporate a pond into your vegetable garden by creating a small water feature or using a pre-made pond liner. Choose plants that thrive in moist conditions, such as watercress, water spinach, and taro. 8. Create a community garden. Share the joy of gardening with your neighbors by starting a community garden. A community garden can foster a sense of belonging, provide fresh produce for the community, and promote environmental awareness. 9. Build a compost bin. Reduce waste and create nutrient-rich compost for your garden by building a compost bin. Compost is a natural fertilizer that improves soil health and reduces the need for chemical fertilizers. Fill your compost bin with kitchen scraps, yard waste, and other organic materials. 10. Host a garden party. Celebrate the fruits of your labor by hosting a garden party. Invite friends and family over to enjoy a meal made with fresh, homegrown produce. A garden party is a great way to showcase your garden and connect with others. A backyard vegetable garden offers countless benefits, from improved health and well-being to a deeper connection with nature. By following these tips and ideas, you can create a beautiful and productive garden that provides you with fresh, nutritious food for years to come. Ready to start your own backyard vegetable garden? Visit our YouTube channel, Homes Decor Designs, for more gardening tips, tutorials, and inspiration. Subscribe now, and let's grow together. Again, thank you for watching this video. Hope you like it and get useful inspiration from it. Let me know what's your favorite design ideas in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Homes Decor Designs. Hit and smash the bell button so you never missed our new informative and inspiring videos in the future. Thank you and see you on the next videos.